Traffix is one of the leading 3PL companies in North America with operations in Canada, US, and Mexico. We are a strategic partner for our customers, providing services such as truckload, LTL, expedited, drayage, and intermodal. The functions that use Anaplan at Traffix are finance, sales, and commercial team. Before implementing Anaplan, a lot of the problems existed within the legacy systems. After implementing Anaplan, all of that has been resolved. Anaplan has helped greatly reduce the time and effort that is needed to produce our annual budget, as well as our monthly forecasts. The output from Anaplan is digested by Power BI, which we use for our reporting. We were able to integrate our existing systems within Anaplan seamlessly. We are more assured on the model that there won't be any mistakes. So we require less and less effort and manpower to track the KPIs. I am Hasan Ahmed Khan, Director FP&A at Traffix, and we plan with Anaplan.